Good afternoon, students. So today what we have learnt in our online sessions, we learnt about birds, water animals, reptiles and insects. So now again we'll revise about birds. What is the name of a lesson? The name of a lesson is Animal Search. We'll learn about birds. Birds have two legs and two wings. I've shown you today we saw one bird, we saw one sparrow. The sparrow was sitting on the window. How many legs the sparrow was having? The sparrow was having only two legs and it was having two wings. Two legs to walk and two wings to fly. You all said me that birds fly in the sky. Yes, birds fly in the sky. Sky is their house. They have feathers on their body to keep them warm. We also saw that they were having feathers. The sparrow was having feather. Do you know what is feathers? Feathers are the clothes of birds. With the help of the feather, they can feel warm. They will not feel cold. It helps them to be warm. They eat with their beaks and fly with their wings. You can see their mouth. I showed you the mouth. Their mouth is called as beak. They eat with their beaks. And how they fly? They fly with the help of the wings. Bird like the hen give us eggs which we can eat. Now what we eat? We eat eggs. You told me that eggs are white in color. Who gives egg? Egg is given by hen. Hen gives us egg. So which birds we can see over here? Crow, pigeon, sparrow, hen and parrot. Which birds are there? Crow, pigeon, sparrow, hen and parrot. Now water animals. Where do the water animals live? The water animals live in the water. Which water animals we can see over here? We'll just name it out. Whale, shark, fish, seahorse and octopus. I showed you picture that how the whale is the very biggest water animal. It is very big. And shark, you also know shark eats other water animals. Shark is very dangerous. We also saw that the shark is having very sharp teeth. Seahorse, now the seahorse look like whom? The seahorse look like horse because the head of the horse is similar to the seahorse. That's why seahorse is named as horse because the head of horse and the head of seahorse are same. Fish, where do we see that small fish? We see the small fish in the fish pot. Where do we keep the fish pot? We keep the fish pot in our home, in our house. Octopus, now how many legs are octopus having? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Octopus is having 8 hands. Do you all have 8 hands? No, we just have 2 hands. But octopus is having 8 hands. And his hands are very long. Our hands are short. Our hands cannot go till long distance. But the hands of octopus are very long. He is having 8 hands. So which is the water animals we saw here in the picture? Whale, shark, fish, seahorse and octopus. These are the animals which live in the water. Where is their house? Their house is in the water. Now we'll see the next. Who are they? Reptiles. Reptiles means what? Reptiles means the animals which move only on land. But some of the animals which we saw in the picture, like tortoise and crocodile. Tortoise and crocodile, they both live on the land and also they live in the water. So, we'll read now reptiles. Some animals are called reptiles. They have rough skin. Most of them live on land. Some of them, like the crocodile and the turtle, live on land and in water. So here what we can see that the tortoise, the lizard and snake, these all animals live on land. But crocodile, I showed you the picture of crocodile. The crocodile and tortoise live on the land. Also they live in the water. So where is their home? Their home is in the water as well as their home is in the land. Insects. Which insects we can see over here? Ant, bee, cockroach, butterfly, housefly and mosquito. When I showed you the pictures of these insects, you all told me their names. Yes, ant. You all what you call ant? Cheetah, है ना? You all call cheetah, but in English it is called as ant. I also showed you that bee. This bee. What does the bee makes? The bee makes honey. We saw that yellow color bee. What the yellow color bee does? The yellow color bee makes honey. We eat sweet honey that is made by bees. Cockroach. Now where do we find cockroach? We find cockroach all over our house. They are brown in color. But how many legs these insects have? These insects are having 6 legs. How many legs they are having? 6 legs. Butterfly. Butterfly are very pretty and they are very colorful. We can find butterfly in many different colors. Where we mostly find butterfly? We mostly find butterfly near the colorful flowers. Housefly. Housefly means makhi that moves all around a house on a food, the food which we keep uncovered. जब हम फूड को कवर नहीं करते तो फूड के ऊपर कौन आता है फूड के ऊपर? हाउस फ्लाई. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मक्खी. मक्खी बोलते हैं ना हम हाउस फ्लाई को. इंग्लिश में what we call मक्खी, in English we call this at house fly. And who is the last one? Who is this last one? He is mosquito. You'll call it as मच्छर. मच्छर बोलते हो ना. What does mosquito do? The mosquito bites us when we sleep. The mosquito bites us when we are asleep. So insects. These insects have 6 legs. Which are the insects? We'll just name it out. Ant, bee, cockroach, butterfly, housefly and mosquito. Again we'll read them. Ant, bee, cockroach, butterfly, housefly and mosquito. In this way we learnt about birds, water animals, reptiles and insects. So students, whatever worksheet I will send to you, you have to solve that worksheet and also keep on revising what I have taught you all. We'll meet in the online session. Till then, take care of yourself and complete all your worksheets. Thank you.